Hi, myself Aarti, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So now I'm here to take a topic about open banking. So open banking is a system where a bank securely shares the customer's data with the third-party providers through the APIs. So with the customer's concern. So the main aim of this open banking is to improve the financial services competition and customers control over their data. So why is open banking? So open bank is nothing a traditional banking where customers data are logged inside the bank. So open banking gives the customers the ownership of their financial data. So here the maximum benefits are they have the better transparency, easier switching between banks, personalized financial products, and more innovation in fintech. So let us see what are the basic components that is involved in the open banking. The first one is the APIs, application programming interface. So here this application programming interface is the backbone of open banking, where it helps in securely allowing the third party to access the account infos, transactions, and payment services. Next, we have a customer's concern and control. So here the data sharing only happens if the customers approve, and the customers can revoke the concern anytime. So here it helps to build the trust and compiles with the primary loss. Next, we have third party providers. Here in open banking, the third party providers play a vital role, where there is an external entity authorized to access the financial data with the initial transaction on behalf of the users. So this third party providers are includes the fintech startups, the payment service providers, and innovative entities that brings the new services and solutions for the market. Next, we have account information service providers and Paytm initial service providers. So here we have the providing users with a consolidated review of financial informations for various accounts and offering the insights into spending patterns, balances, and transactions. So here the payment initial, it enables the initial payment directly to their accounts through the third party applications or platforms. So here the principles of open banking. The open banking allows the individuals and business to share their financial information securely and effectively with the authorized third party. The first one is the customer's concern. So open banking, when the customers choose to participate, they have to grant permission for the banking data to be shared securely to the third party providers, including the merchants. So here the concern ensures that the data privacy and protect the customers information. Then API connectivity. So API enables the secure exchange of data between the systems. Here the merchants also integrate their system with the banks and financial institutions through API, where they are allowing them to access the customers banking data and to initiate transactions. The third one is the data access. So once they are connected through APIs, merchants they can access the relevant customer financial data, as such as their account balances, transaction histories, spending patterns. So this is the real time access to the data providers valuable insight into customers behavior and their preferences, and allowing the merchant to make the informed business decisions. Next, we have payment options. So, open banking will also offer the merchants with the various payment options behind the traditional method. So, here they can integrate with the payment service providers and many of the financial institutions through APIs to provide the convenient payment experience. So, here this includes the options like direct bank transfer, instant payments, and mobile wallets. So, giving the customers more flexible and choice during their checkout. The last one is the streamlined operations. Though APIs in open banking, it is an automated process and a streamlined operation for merchants. So merchants can automatically have the reconciliation process by accessing the real time transaction data, where it is eliminating the manual effort and reducing the errors. This leads to more efficient financial management, which will improve the cash flow. So these are the principles of open banking. Thank you.